morning and welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Karen Schoenwise, a member of the High School Ed Tech Committee. And this morning I'm going to walk you through how to embed videos or documents into Schoology to make them appealing to your students and to avoid a lot of clicking and students not being able to see them. So right now I'm in my Schoology course. Here's a page. You'll notice there's a link. Now this is the text of the student book. I really would like the students to use the book, but they have a click that they have to perform to get to it. Fortunately, this opens up because it's a Google document, and to make it bigger, they can just click on this. Okay, so here's an earlier unit where I was not embedding, an earlier week, I should say. So I wanted them to view the opening scene of The Crucible. Now, students in class, I simply clicked on it and showed them. But if they weren't in class, they had to click this assignment, which took a while to open up. Then they had to click this link, and then they get this redirect notice, which eventually redirects them. Okay, additionally in my course, I've always included a weekly slide and a daily agenda slide link at the top where they can click. Well, they don't see it and they don't click on it. So I have now decided that I'm going to embed that in my course. So I'm going to go to my Unit 4 unit. I click on week 5, and now everything is embedded. They don't have to do the extra steps. There's my daily agenda. They can see exactly what it is, and as I update it, it will update it by day during the week. There's the video I want them to see. No extra clicks. It's right there, no links. And if I do give them an assignment, such as that this is an actual assignment, so I couldn't make it a page, I still made sure in this assignment that I included an embedded document so they can see it. So how did I do this? One is I need to add a page. So I'm going to add materials. I am going to add a page. And I'm going to give the page a title. I also like to number just because it will make it easier in the long run if I number my unit, my week, and the number of the assignment in that week. So, all right, the next step is to go to this Insert Content box. Because this is a Google assignment, I go to the Google Drive Resources. And I'm just going to click Vocabulary Honors Project. I click Import Embed. And it is right here, but there's one more step. I need to click Display on New Page. And then you'll see that it's highlighted. And then I click Create. So there it appears directly in my course. These other things, that was the problem. Here's a video that I placed. So I need to edit this to make sure it's showing in the course. So I click Display on New Page. Now I can actually see and play the video directly in there. There are no extra clicks for students. If you have a video from YouTube or something, it is a different process. So I'm going to quickly just show you that process. So I go to Add Materials, Add Page again. I type a name. This is going to be Office Clip. I should also give it a number, but for the sake of time, I click Insert Content. This time I'm going to click Image and Media because it is not from Google Drive. I click from the web. I have to click Media. Make sure you click Media. I put in this link from YouTube. Found a YouTube video that I want to use. Copy the link, insert media. Don't forget to display on the new page and create. And there my office clip appears at the bottom of the page. So it really is simple. Here's another example of a Google slide with links. I can actually click the link and it will take me right to that week's vocabulary. There are some issues that might happen with things like quizzes. So this is a test review that I'm giving my students. And when you embed a quizzes, it doesn't pop out big. So I did make this an assignment, but I put there, click the link below to open quizzes in a bigger screen. And then I also did the embedding of the quizzes. Now, the link, this is where I needed an embed code, so I'm going to briefly show you something that does that. It's called Iframe Generator. So I like to use quizzes, but sometimes the quizzes links won't embed. So if I go to assign homework, it gives me this link to copy, but it's not an embed code. So I can go to copy link. And then I can go to this iframe generator that I found online. It's free. So I included the link to it. I just put in the URL for whatever it is that won't post. I go to generate. I can preview what it will look like. There it is. And then I can just copy the code from the iframe generator. Go back to my page, go to image media from the web, media, and notice it says link or embed because sometimes the link doesn't work. I now put in that feed code. There it is. I make sure again I display on new page, create. And there it is. So I really hope this tip was helpful. Should you have any questions, if you are in the high school, you can reach out to me in 145. I can definitely help you walk through the steps. Or if you're in the middle school, you can just email me, shomwiseK@krsd.us. Thanks. Enjoy.